Hey guys, good morning. It is Wednesday, April 3rd, 2019. This is Norm from Bearable Traders. Quick recap for today. Before we get into that, I do want to remind you, we wrapped up the Bearable Traders Challenge, first one last week, last Friday. On Monday, we announced the winners. We also announced that we are going to do part deux. Starts April 15th. If you go to our homepage, you can sign up right here, Bearable Traders. Click to learn more and join. The prize for this one is going to be Andrew's actual, not his, a new version of his trading laptop. So you can see it's a gaming laptop, 3 USB monitors, hub, backpack, mouse, all that stuff. Really awesome prize. A couple of us moderators were joking about making up fake names for ourselves, our wives, our dogs, our children to sign up and compete. But no, we are not eligible. So you guys give it a shot, give it a try, see if you can win the second Bearable Traders Challenge. So anyway, on to my recap for today. One and done. It's been a long time since I've had that happen. A long time. And I forgot how nice it feels. So anyway, we had a pretty decent watch list this morning. Lyft, Facebook, AMD, MU, ST&E was questionable. CAT, Play didn't have a lot of volume. SIG didn't have a lot of volume. NVDA had my eye on. It was gapping up, not terribly huge for NVIDIA, but you can see it was gapping up toward the open. Put some levels. I had on the daily, and you had to go back a ways to get this one, but this gap right here, back from November, you can see we were getting close to filling that gap. And I had a level marked on there. I actually have it marked a little bit wrong, 189.65. It's really in the 189.40s. That was my target on this, if this could get going. So anyway, so right before the open, on the 5-minute and the 1-minute right here, you can see a little bit of a pullback. And I also had this other level, which it held nicely. Previous day level held nicely. Shot up real quickly, and you know NVIDIA can really move at the open. So when I saw this pullback, it came down. I got in this pullback. I was able to get it. VWAP, as you know, is a little bit off on these charts. I got in that trade at 185.47. VWAP was about 185.25. So about 20-25 cents risk in that. And my eventual target was 189.65. 189 is really what I was hoping for. As you can see, I partialed out a little bit early, but I'll explain that in a minute why I'm okay with that. So anyway, it started running, carried this moving average 9 on the 1-minute. As you know, I watched the 2-minute, which was equally as nice. Shot right up, no new lows. I mean, higher highs, higher lows, all the way up. When it started to get about 187.50, there were some big bids and asks in there. I worried it might hit some resistance. I went ahead and took a partial. I was already $2 into the trade at that point. And then I started partialing slowly on the way out as it approached 188, over 188, 188.50. And then it came up, and this was the first new low. I went ahead and took the rest of my position off right there. So anyway, it was a one and done day. As you can see, it had a little bit further to move. It ended up getting within about 7 cents of that that gap fill, which it'll probably make a run for it. You can see right now it's paused, came back, tested moving averages. It didn't even touch the moving average on the 5-minute chart here. So I had a little bit of room. I would not have held through this pullback in all likelihood. And another thing I wanted to show too was, you know, when it did pause here for a second, I hesitated, but you can see at the same time all that was happening, SPY was selling off really hard. So the fact that NVIDIA was able to continue to run while at the same time SPY was, you know, weighting it down a little bit to some degree, I knew if we could get that little turn on SPY, which happened about 10 minutes in, that it would just, you know, give a little bit more fuel and help NVIDIA push through. So anyway, one and done for today. That's fine. I'll be in the chat room in a little bit, see if we can find some reversals. Other than that, you guys trade safe. Have a nice day. Thanks for watching. Be sure to check out the challenge and leave any questions or comments below. Take care.